Hi guys, uh, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I want to teach you and show you if your controller, your PS3 controller is not powering on. You press is not powering on. After you do that, then you use your cable to connect, and it's just blinking. Is not working. You press, is not collecting, is not pairing and connecting to it. Then you remove it, it's just blinking. So, and all the, see, none of it is working. Okay, I want to show you how to fix this PS3 console not working. See, it's not working. So let's go, guys. Yeah, this is what you do. The first thing you do is you unscrew the bolt here. You have to unscrew them gently. You unscrew them gently. Now after remove, then you open it gently, not to damage anything here. So as you open it, just be removing it one by one. Keep it to, for you not to lost anything there. You have to remove all this gently. Then you see, remove them. So this is what you are going to replace. This is what you are going to replace. This is what you are going to replace. So you have to look for it, then replace them. So this is the one I'm replacing for this. This is the new one. Then I'll throw this one. This one is not useful again. Then I put it back. Fix it gently. Put them back. place it back. You place it back. Put the L1, R1, put them together. Couple them back. Couple them back. So couple them back. So cover it back. So you screw back the screw. You put back the bolts. Screw them gently. So let's go and test it. Okay, I want to on it. You know, before it was not on, so now it's on. So let's go and test it on a PS3 console if all the buttons are working properly. So let's go guys. We are back to the PS3 console now. So now it's blinking as before. If you press this one, now it's connected. Now you see everything now working perfect. Everything is working perfect. You see, everything is working perfect now. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, click on like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you guys. Bye.